Best Ethernet Cable for Gaming 50FT. Hello guys, so family. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So, guys, here I'm back with another super exciting video. In this video, I will share a review of the best Ethernet cable for Gaming 50FT. So, guys, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also press the bell icon for future notifications. Or, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then make sure to do it right now. Now, without wasting a single moment, let's start with the list. Number 1, a $1 billion Cat8 Ethernet cable. Let's, first of all, take a look at one of the best Ethernet cables for gaming, the Cat8 score, and what it brings with it is one of the defining elements of why it is on the number 1 of our list. Cat8 boasts bandwidth assist of as much as 2000 MHz and boosts the rate of information transmission by as much as 40 Gbps, which means regardless of what speed you are getting off your ISP, you will be receiving the total power via this cable. Moreover, it Info 26 AWG, which isn't the most effective thick. It is lots quicker and strong in information transferring, making it best for people with a big complicated bunch of devices. In concern of the construct's high satisfactory and sturdiness of the $1 billion, it is quite extraordinary in each aspect. The Ethernet cable itself is manufactured from 4 shielded foiled twisted pairs and single-strand OFC wires, which are now no longer most effective, making it robust. It targets to lessen sign interference. Additionally, this Ethernet cable is waterproof, has anti-corrosion elements, is extraordinarily durable, and has the ability to shape all. These come collectively to make a cord this is extraordinarily not going to interrupt, in addition to one this is capable of resisting outside climate and being buried underground. Now, let's have a look at the next one. So, let's see what we have at this number. Number 2, Glennex Cat8 Ethernet cable. So, now let's have a look at the Glennex Cat8 Ethernet cable. Of course, through the title of this one, you'll obtain a Cat8 version with inside the identical vein, because the $1 billion, which all of us understand is going above and past as compared to something like a Cat6 or Cat7 cable. It offers you an upper velocity restriction of 40 Gbps, which might be overkill. However, with inside the extensive run, you will understand you might not require to switch it out. The internals of the cable is crafted from 100% pure copper cord with sheath fabric PVC and insulation material HDPE to maintain its safety. Each twisted pair is separately shielded with aluminum foil coupled with tin copper braid protective, which protects all conductors simply below the jacket, improving sturdiness as compared to older RJ45 community cables. This Ethernet cable for gaming is available in white instead of black, which may be a bonus for a few who have a clean white installation and might instead make their wires combination into the aesthetic. There are also various lengths of cable you may choose up, starting from 1 to 100 FT, so quite a lot regardless of how long way away from the Ethernet wall socket is. You need to be capable of attaining it with those period options. Number 3, Vonage Cat7 Ethernet cable. If you do not consider it important to select a Cat8 Ethernet cable for your gaming desires, but nevertheless need one that gives a bit extra future upproofing than Cat6, why now no longer do you do this one and get a Cat7 variant? This Vonage provides simply that, together with different pluses that set this other than different lackluster choices. The Cat7 certification boosts the velocity restriction of Cat6 from 1 Gbps to 10 Gbps, making it 10 instances as successful in comparison. This in turn permits it to be a lot extra future-proof, and as SPS are growing speeds at a far quicker charge than in preceding years, we have to see the 10 Gbps a lot extra frequently. Again, as compared to the Cat6 network Ethernet cable, the extra protective and advanced exceptional in twisting of the wires offers higher safety from crosstalk, noise, and interference, which can degrade the sign high satisfactory. Looking extra intently at the one's wires, they may be in 4 twisted pair sets, wrapped through the aluminum foil and crafted from oxygen-loose copper cable core, all maximizing durability. Now, it's time to check out the next Ethernet cable for gaming. I hope you will like these options. Number 4, Amazon Basics RJ45 Ethernet cable. Don't allow you to be an idiot here. Amazon Basics has a variety that is quite stellar in maximum variations, and that absolutely trickles into their cables. Extra specifically, They're Ethernet cables for gaming, similar to that of the CableGeeker. It is a Cat6 cable that wants more lets in for as much as a gigabit connection. It is considered fantastic for the ones with high velocity ISPs, and you will obtain precisely what you got paid for. In conjunction with this, the RJ45 connectors are gold-plated, which lets in for correct information switch and corrosion-unfastened connectivity. In concern of durability, we have got stated the gold-plated connectors. However, there's additionally the long-lasting outer PVC jacket, which genuinely bolsters the durability of this Ethernet cable and without a doubt continues the one inner wire safe. Amazon gives lengths from 3FT to 50FT on this Ethernet cable that is reachable, and also you have to be capable of discovering one which fits your needs. Now, let's have a look at the last one. I hope you will like this too. Number 5. CableGeeker Cat6 Ethernet Cable. Now, we have another high-quality Ethernet cable for gaming. You may know that this cable is flat, so there are some layers that pass into the CableGeeker to make it long-lasting. There's an aggregate of PVC and an 8-center twisted shape which makes the cable strong and nevertheless flexible. Moreover, the core itself is of 30 AWG nature in order to resist a group of flexing and bending, protecting your connection. But simply as it seems appropriate and is long-lasting does not suggest that it plays properly, so let's speak specifications to ensure it really is now no longer the case. This is a Cat6 Ethernet cable. Because of this, it would not provide pretty what a K-type cable does, however, it is nevertheless greater than respectable. In phrases of speed, it assists gigabit connections and as much as 250 MHz bandwidth, probable greater than the maximum could require with a common net connection. However, with gigabit carriers shooting up extra and greater, it is exceptional to have in case you switch. So, this is it for today's video, and if you like this list, then do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. Furthermore, if you like to check the further details of these shared Ethernet cables, then you can visit the links given in the description box.